One of my favorite tools ever, Homebot. I have zero ownership in Homebot, and if you like Homebot but you love Home IQ, knock yourself out. Use Home IQ. Top 3 different ways for you to be able to engage and add value to your database so they see you as being more valuable using Homebot, using Home IQ, using Milestones, whatever technology platform you got to use. I just simply understand what a Homebot is. Number 1, home net worth calculation and what to do with that data. So when you understand that someone's net worth, what's 90% of millionaires get their wealth through what? This little thing called real estate. The majority of borrowers' net worths are in their house. They don't know what to do with those assets. They don't know what to do with those funds. They don't know what to do there. You can do a couple different widgets in Homebot. You can put there and say, hey, if you pull out home equity line of credit and buy an investment property, this is how much more income you can calculate. Pull out equity to pay off a debt consolidation loan. Homebot is a phenomenal, it's the future of a digital platform for your mortgage statement. So think of like the old school days, we would all get a mortgage statement that would come in the mail and it'd tell us what a balance was, and you see your monthly balance going down and you think you're doing well, but it's elementary. Homebot to me is a great tool that helps you understand what to do with the equity you have in your home. And it's even got great principal paydown tools to help you understand, hey, if you want to add an extra $50 a month in mortgage, this is how much more principal you'll be able to pay down. This is how much faster you'll be able to pay off the mortgage. This is how much interest will be able to save you. And this is your predicted loan balance in year 7 or year 5 or year 3. Awesome debt consolidation tool. Hey, if you've got $20,000 in credit card debt and you've got an 18% average interest rate, but you do a home equity line of credit and you pull out that much equity paid off, this is how much it'll improve your family's cash flow. The ability to be able to use Homebot as a tool for the sake of the home's net worth, understanding what to do with that. The principal paydown, understanding what to do with that. And then the debt consolidation tool, understanding what to do that, is a great aspect and great value add for your own database. However, remember, that's an amateur. A professional takes those same tools and does what? Goes and adopts a CPA database, financial advisors database, family will attorneys database, insurance agents database, and brings those databases into their Homebot, co-brands it together, and then now you're seeing your insurance clients' home's net worth, principal paydown tools for your CPA clients, debt consolidation tools for your family will attorneys clients. You're able to see the bigger scale and the bigger picture of all this because at the end of the day, you're the quarterback and you're the one that's learned how to create a moat around your referral partners in your database that they want you to adopt their database. Now, get ready to see something super cool because we're going to talk about BombBomb next.